Hello, everyone. Good morning. How is everyone? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever in the world you may be. I wanted to speak today about something quite simple, but sometimes often quite hard to get our head around. And that's just the energy of channeling joy. What would it take for us to channel joy? And this is a question that we've been asked a lot lately. So, how can we channel joy in the face of, let's say, adversity, such adversity? We channel joy in the face of fear, of doubt, of uncertainty, right? Whatever that means to you, whatever is coming up for you. The answer is very, very simple. If you think about it, what keeps us from being joyful is that energy when we put too much time and worry and fear into the future, right? If you think about it, all of our fears, our doubts, our worries are usually about something that's not happening in the future, right? Like, or something that we are afraid is going to happen that is in the future. It is mostly premeditated, right? It doesn't really come with much truth, okay? Maybe we have some valid points based on the past. Maybe we do. And but most of the time, those fears and those doubts and those worries, those are all based on a premeditated idea of what the future is going to look like. And if you actually look in your life at all the times that you had those, let's just call them silly fears or those ridiculous fears, you would probably agree with me that mostly none of them actually came to fruition. Okay. So then how do we create joy? What do we do to create joy? We create joy by being present with what is in front of us, right? And in every single second being present with what is there, not worrying about tomorrow, not worrying about, you know, even the past. So many times we get caught up in the past of our regrets that they actually keep us from being present. But I'd like for each and every one of us to just kind of like check in, check in with where you are, check in with what's around you, become gracious, become filled with gratitude for what is in front of you. Acknowledge yourself just simply by being here in this moment. This moment is a good reflection of an opportunity to create joy, right? And if we can continue to just simply chase those moments or live our lives in those 10-second increments, we recognize, acknowledge, and see that there is always a choice, always a choice. What choice can you make today that will bring more joy, more happiness, more fun, more excitement into your life right now? Okay, so let's channel some joy today together. And let's go ahead and begin our meditation today. For those of you who are joining us, thank you for being here. This is the daily download. We are here every single day, 8:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is just an opportunity to take 15 minutes out of your day for you, not for anybody else, just you. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin the meditation. Let's close our eyes and let's find ourselves in our heart. And as we do so, let's just begin by taking 3 deep breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And now let's shift our awareness to the center of the earth. And as we shift our awareness to the center of the earth, let's just imagine this beautiful energy swirling around in the center of the earth. And from this space, let's imagine this energy scooping up fresh earth energy, coming up through the soles of our feet, through our ankles, our calves, our knees, and our thighs, and traveling up through all of our chakras, and popping up outside the top of our head and forming a beautiful ball of light. And now see yourself in this ball of light. And imagine this ball of light traveling up out of the space that you're in, higher and higher and higher and faster and faster and faster. Imagine that ball of light lifting you up, out past Earth's atmosphere, out into outer space, through different planets and galaxies in the Milky Way, and higher and higher and higher beyond there, out into different layers of light. Some light, some dark. Imagine your ball of light lifting you up beyond there, out into a beautiful golden-like light, and through a golden-like light into a jelly-like substance light, and through the jelly-like substance light into a beautiful pink haze, which is the law of compassion. And through the law of compassion, you enter into the seventh plane of all that is, the plane of creation, of oneness, and of complete totality. Immediately, your ball of light dissolves into this beautiful energy. You feel the connection, the contribution, the collaboration of all the atoms and molecules of existence. It's from this beautiful quantum field that we have the opportunity to create and shift anything. And so in this theta healing meditation, you're tapping into the theta brainwave. As you tap into the theta brainwave, you have the opportunity to rearrange some atoms and molecules in your subconscious mind to create new pathways of possibility, or otherwise known as beliefs. Our beliefs are creating our reality. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. So would you like to know what it feels like to live presently? That you know how to, when to, where to, that it's safe for you to live presently, that you're worthy of living presently. And in that beautiful present state, you have everything that you require. Everything that you require. And would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is to acknowledge that you have everything that you require? Sometimes we go, oh, but if I have everything that I require, I won't get anything. But that's not true, right? Because you've been asking and you've been present with what it is that you require. Okay. So in the moment, it gives you the opportunity to pause and receive. Ooh, I like this. Right? Wow, that really is good. That feels great. What would it take to have more of that? Follow the energy. So would you like to know what it feels like to trust your choices and the ability, the offering that your choices can be to be the domino effect for the accumulation, if you will, of more compounded joy in your life? If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is in every single cell of your body? The word brave is coming up. To be brave, to know that you are brave. You're already brave, and that it takes bravery to live a courageously joyful life. So would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is to channel your creative joy into everything in your life? If you'd like that, say yes. How would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is in every single cell of your body? To celebrate you, to celebrate this beautiful life experience that you have actualized and manifested, to celebrate your success. And if you go, oh, but Daniel, I don't know what success I have, or I don't know what I can celebrate, just celebrate you. Celebrate you as these infinite being that is here in the now. Celebrate that you woke up this morning full of possibility, right? How many others in this world don't have that luxury, right? Would you like to know what it feels like to channel gratitude, even in the face of the impossible? If you'd like that, say yes. Great. So now let's shift our energy to those who require healing today. As we do so, let's just imagine them surrounded in the Creator's love and in the Creator's light. Imagine them happy, healthy, safe, and protected. So let's please send unconditional healing and light to Millie. See her surrounded in the Creator's love and in the Creator's light. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. And let's also please send healing to my mama, Mama Linda. Happy, healthy, safe, and protected. And let's also please send healing to Carrie. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. And to James. Happy, healthy, safe, and protected. Let's also please send healing to my mama, Mama Linda. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. And to Michelle. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. And to Jim. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. Also to Margarita. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. To Marietta and Marcella. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. Let's also please send healing to Anne. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. And great. And last but not least, would you guys like to know that you are unconditional love, that you be unconditional love, that unconditional love is your birthright? If you'd like that, say yes. Now let's take our palms and rub our palms together. Faster and faster and faster and faster and faster. Place your palms over your eyes. Your eyes are the windows to your soul. When you're ready, you can open up your eyes. Allow that energy to come into your body and into your being. Place your hands on your heart. Congratulate yourself. Thank yourself for being here, for choosing, for showing up today. Thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful, incredible, amazing Saturday. Do something wonderful for yourself. Honor yourself. Keep that joy train running. I'll see you guys same time, same place tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone. Bye, guys.